Hello folks, welcome back to the Hoppy Hippie channel, and it's another review tonight, and we're going to Copenhagen this time for a brew called the House of Pale, and here's the can here for you to have a look at. It's a pale ale from Copenhagen. And it's a Danish craft brewery, two OI. Don't know how to pronounce that actually, but that's the brewery at the top there. It's a Danish craft brewery founded in 2010. 0I brews is what we call it. An O with a stroke through it, and to me, being a ham radio is a zero. A slashed zero. Brews a wide range of different beers, some potent, some provocative, others fresh and floral. It brews hoppy, balanced and complex beers, both light, dark, strong and simple. Its ambition is to use raw ingredients of the highest quality, never to compromise with taste, balance, and to keep pushing the boundaries of creating great beer. So, a wee look at the spider graph there. I'll keep it steady, you can maybe pause that and have a read. There we go. So it's 4 out of 5 hoppiness, 3 bitter, 4 smooth, 3 sweet, 3 floral, and 2 malty. So we're certainly verging on the kind of dry hoppiness. And here's the tasting notes here. One of the recipes to 0I has taken from our beloved mad laboratory in Copenhagen, BRUS, a New England Pale Ale, Ekuanot hops. It's seen many changes and tweaks over the year, experimenting with hop doses and overall crispiness to achieve a harmonic and juicy pale ale with a beautiful floral. There's a word for you. A beautiful floral character. So they've really studied this stuff, tested it, tried it again until they've got to where they think that it should be. So this beer has been brewed and canned in a brewery to 0I City, Svinge, Denmark. Follow the life. Okay, toolbeer.com, toolbeer.dk for better pronunciations than mine. So this is looking rather good here. They've put a lot of work into this. A lot of effort. Changed recipes up and down. Tweaked it to the goal that they wanted it in the first place, and here it is. So I'm rather excited about this. This is going to be superb. Slightly hazy there. You can see my finger still running up and down the back of the glass. Let's have a wee nose at this, see how we're feeling. Well, it's just your usual floral experience, really, so far. Nothing outstanding, nothing terrible. Pineapple. Let's taste it. There's nothing outstanding about that at all compared to the others I've tasted tonight of the same kind of ilk. That doesn't mean to say it's bad. There's a nice dry tonguey happening there. It's quite strange. Well, an antiseptic. Well, the floral in it isn't overpowering as my bird goes absolutely nuts in its cage. As you probably heard. That's it having a wee flap before it goes to its bed. It's not an outstanding punchy experience as the other ones you normally get of the kind of same genre. Looks nice. Nice head stain there. Let's get a proper nose at this. It's on the mild side of everything, really. It's on the faint end of every scale. Nose, flavour. And I would expect, with the Bumfury that we read there, with the amount of times that they've changed it up and stuff, I would expect something a bit more special than this. I mean, it's nice. It is nice. Don't get me wrong at all. It's it's pineapple. I'm just getting pineapple, nothing else at all. Nothing else but pineapple. It's got a nice lacing there. Lacing isn't really my thing, but people like the way a beer laces, but there you go. I prefer the way it tastes and smells and the whole the experience of drinking it. It's a nice, I'm saying it's on the mild side of everything, but it's a nice scent of it. I was probably expecting more.